welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm discussing important concept, that is tau function and sigma function. This is the very important concept in group theory. Okay, these are tau function and sigma function have lot of application in group theory. Tau function usually used to find the number of subgroups. Okay, like this in many cases be tau function and sigma function. Okay, today we discussing properties of tau function and sigma function, and there are some questions also asked in various examination. Okay, tau function, okay, we also call as number of positive divisors of n. Okay, the definition of tau function is it is a function from z plus to z plus denoted by tau from mapping from z plus to z plus and defined as tau of n is equal to number of positive divisors of n. Okay, that means what? First of all we going to tau function. First of all, what is divisors? What is divisor? Suppose we take 4, we take example as 4. What is the divisors of 4? Minus 4. Okay, and minus 2 also divisor, and minus 1 is the also divisor, 1 also divisor, 2 also divisor, and 4 also divides. Minus 4 also divides 4, and minus 2 also divides 4, and minus 4 also divides 4, 1 also divides 4, 2 also divides 4, and 4 divides 4. Okay, these are the divisors of 4. Okay, okay, among these which numbers are positive? 1, 2, 4 are the positive numbers. These are the positive divisors. These we call as these numbers we call as positive divisors. Okay, these we call as negative divisors. Okay, then we come to tau function. Okay, tau function means what? Number of positive divisors m. Okay, that we call as tau of n. It is denoted by the symbol tau. Okay, this is the symbol tau. Okay, we discussing some properties of tau function. Okay, the first property is the now we discussing properties of tau function. Properties properties of tau function. Okay, the first property is tau of 1 is equal to, if we take if n is equal to 1, then tau of 1 is equal to 1. Okay, if we take n greater than 1, then n is equal to, that means what? If n greater than 1, if you take n greater than 1, that means what? N is equal to, we express the numbers, we express the natural numbers in the power. Okay, we express the natural number in prime factors. Okay, p power of a, q power of b, r power of c, and so on are primes, are prime numbers. We already discussed in Euler's pi function this. Okay, and a b c are natural numbers. Okay, then tau of n is equal to, tau of n is equal to the powers a plus 1 and b plus 1, c plus 1, and so on. Okay, this gives what? Number of positive divisors of n. Okay, this is the one of the important property. Okay, this is also same here. If n greater than 1, then n is equal to p1 r power of 1, p2 r power of 2, and so on, pk r power of k. Okay, then tau of n is equal to r1 plus 1, r2 plus 1 plus, sorry, and so on, rk plus 1. Okay, one more another property is if 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 m comma n is equal to 1, that means what, gcd of m comma n is equal to 1. Okay, then tau of mn is equal to tau of m into tau of n. Okay, the one more property is if n belongs to positive integers, then tau of n is equal to 2. That implies what, n is prime. Okay, if you take any prime number, if you take n is any prime number, we get the tau of n is 2 only. Okay, that means what, we take any positive, any we take any positive integers. Okay, and that n is prime, then we get tau of n is equal to 2. This is important property we have to remember. Okay. Okay, and there are one more property. Okay, if n is greater than 1, be integer, then product of all positive divisors of n is, then product of all positive divisors of n is 1 by 2 into n into tau of n. Okay, this is also one of important property. Suppose one more property is if tau of n is tends to infinity, as n tends to infinity. Okay, if tau of n is tends to infinity, as n tends to infinity. These are the some important properties regarding tau function. Okay, that means what, number of positive divisors of n. Okay, the some we have to discussing some questions related to tau function. Okay, how many positive divisors of 10? Okay, how many positive divisors of 10? 100. Okay, how to find it? Here what is n? Here n is equal to 100. That means what, we this expressed in prime factors. Okay, what we get, 2 square into 5 square. Okay, that means what, 10 square. 10 square is again divided into prime factors, 2 square into 5 square. Then tau of 100 is equal to what, 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1. We take powers. Okay, 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 1, we get 3 3 is a 9. The answer is 9. Okay, and there are one more question. If n is equal to 10 power of 6, then find positive divisors of n. Okay, here what is, n is equal to 10 power of 6, and we write down this as 2 power of 6 into pi power of 6. Okay, then tau of 10 power of 6 is equal to what, 6 plus 1 into 6 plus 1. Okay, this is equal to 49. Okay, according by using this definition, we find this. Okay, next question is find positive divisors of 50,000. Okay, this is the question asked in CSR net 2012, June 2012. Okay, how to find it? Okay, first of all we have to express this in form of prime factors. 50,000 is equal to, how we can write, 5 into 10 power of 4. Yes or no? Yes, is equal to 5 power of 5 into 2 power of 4. Okay, 10 is expressed as 5 into 2 whole power of 4, and 5 bases are same, we add powers, we get 5 power of 5 into 2 power of 4. That means tau of 50,000 is equal to what, 5 plus 1 the powers. Okay, and 4 plus 1 we get what, how many, what is the answer we get? 5 plus 1 is 6, 4 1 is 5, 30. Okay, this is the answer we get. And next question is, n is equal to 10 power of 55 by 10 power of 44, then tau of n. This is the question asked in CSR net December 2011. Okay, how to find it? Okay, first of all we solve this 10 power of 55 by 10 power of 44 is equal to 10 power of 55. We take into numerator, we get 10 power of minus 44. That means what? 10 power of 11 we get. Okay, then we write down again into 5 power of 2 power of 11 into 5 power of 11 we get. Then means what? Then tau of um, 10 power of 55 by 10 power of 44. That means what? Tau of 10 power of 11 is equal to 11 plus 1 into 11 plus 1 we get answer is 144. This is the answer we get. Okay, these are the some questions and questions related to number of positive divisors of n. Okay, now we are discussing sum of positive divisors of m. Okay, this is also important concept in group theory. Okay, we discussing now. Okay, what is the sum of positive divisors m? Sum of positive divisors n is denoted by sigma n. Okay, we get suppose we take 5. Suppose we take 5. What is the positive divisors of 5? 1 and 5 only divisors of 5. Okay, we add 1 plus 5 we get 6. Okay, this we call as sum of positive divisors of 5. Okay, this we call as function sigma function. We call as this as a sigma function. Okay, then we discussing some properties related to sigma function. Okay, if n is equal to 1, sigma of 1 is equal to 1. If n is greater than 1, then n is equal to, we write down easy way, p power of a, q power of b, r power of c, and so on. Okay, we get like this. Okay, that means what? Here what we get, we get here sigma of n is equal to p power of a plus 1 minus 1 by p minus 1 into q power of b plus 1 minus 1 by q minus 1, and so on. We get like this. Okay, and one more property is, if gcd of m comma n is equal to 1, then sigma of mn is equal to sigma of m into sigma of n. Okay, these are the some properties. And one more property is, sigma of n is tends to infinity as n tends to infinity. This is one more property. Okay, and now we are discussing some problems related to sigma function. Okay, this is the problems. Okay, if n is equal to 20, then find sigma of n. Okay, first of all, we normally find what is the divisors of positive, what is the positive divisors of 20? Tell me. 1 is the positive divisor, and 2 also we divide with 2 also divides 20. 3 divides 20? No. 4 divides 20? Tell me. Yes, 4 also divides 20. And 5 divides 20. Yes, and 6 divides 20. No. And 7 divides 20. No. 8 divides 20. No. 9 divides 20. No. 10 divides 20. Yes. 11 divides 20. No. 12 divides 20. No. 13 divides 20. No. Then directly 20 divides 20. We have these positive divisors. What we get? Tell me. 30, 35 we get. 40, 41 we get. Okay, 41, 41 or 42. Tell me any one number is missing. 30 is 35. 35, 40, 42. Sorry, this is 42. 42. Yes, the number is 42. Okay, the sigma of 20 is 42. Okay, but now by using formula we have to find we get 42 or not. Okay, we get 42 or not. Okay, what is the formula? I'm right down here. Okay, sigma of 20 is equal to, we express in prime factors. Okay, 2 square into 5. Okay, by using formula we write down like this: 2 power of 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1, and 5 power of 1 plus 1 minus 1 by, okay, 5 minus 1. Okay, I am using the formula. This is the formula. I am using formula. This is okay. Then we solving, what we get: 2 4 of 2 cube, 2 cube 8, 8 minus 7 by 1, and we get 5 square, 5 square is 25, 24 by 4 we get. Okay, we get like this. Yes or no? And what is 4 and 6, and 6 is a 42. Yes sir, we get 42. Okay, this is the we get same here also. Okay, by the normal method we get the answer is 42, and by the formula also we get the answer is 42. Okay, then this is very difficult to write down all the positive divisors of 500. That's why we using a formula. Okay, this is okay. Okay, 20. Okay, we write down the positive device, all the positive devices. For we come to any big number, this is very difficult to find the all the positive divisors. Okay, that's why we using the formula. Okay, we express n is equal to here 500. We can express this into into 100. We write down. Okay, yes or no? That means what? 5 into 10 square. Okay, 5 into, we can write down is 5 into 2 whole square. We can write like this also. And we get 5 cube, because here 5 is there, here 5 square is there. We get 5 cube into 2 square. Okay, by using formula we write down sigma of 500 is equal to, we can write 5 4 of power, add plus 1 and minus 1 by 5 minus 1. Okay, then here 2, 2 square plus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 we get. Okay, solve this. What we get? 5 4 of 4. What is the value of 5 4 of 4? Tell me. 5 4 of 4. Two members are joined live. Please tell me what is the uh, answer for this. Solve this. Okay. After we solving this, we get the answer for sigma 500. Okay, we can solve the you one. We solve this. Okay. Okay. That means what? 5 4 of 4 minus 1 by 5 minus is 4, and 2 cube minus 1 by 1. Okay, that means what? 1 5 cube is 125. Okay, 125 na. 5 5 is a 25, 25 5 is a 125, 125 5 is a 225. Yes sir, no? Hmm? 225 or 250, 125 into 5, 5 5 is a 25, 40 is a 10, 2, 625, sorry, 625. Yes sir, no? 625 minus 1, 624 by 4. Okay, 8 minus 1 7. Okay, we can solve this. We get the required answer. Okay, this is the concept behind sigma function, and some problems and properties of sigma function uh, and tau function. Okay, this is the all the concept and problems of I'm solved CSR net problems also related to this concept. Okay, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. And in my next video, I am discussing some special type of groups. Okay, that is ZN group and UN group and other groups. Okay, I am giving detailed explanation of special groups. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you.